Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, we're going to make a super easy hibachi style zucchini with onions. This is so easy. It's a great way to use up your zucchini, and it's such a nice side dish full of flavor. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with 2 medium zucchini. I'm using 3 because I have 2 small. And just going to cut off the ends and cut them into batons. So, just something like this. Just like that. You can cut them longer or shorter if you like, doesn't matter. And now, if you have yellow onion, great. You can use about half of a yellow onion. That's gonna add so much flavor, but I have these leftover green onion ends, so I'm gonna be using those. I have about 5 here. And you just want them thinly sliced any which way. So I am gonna just slice these thinly like that. I put about a tablespoon of neutral flavored oil in the pan. You can use avocado oil or any other neutral oil. We're gonna cook the zucchini in that. I'm using a cast iron on medium-high heat. You could use a wok as well, but we do wanna char them up a little. Now for the sauce, we have 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, 1 clove of freshly minced garlic, one teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, a little bit of sweet in there, and half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Now, if you don't want to use sesame oil, you can just skip that part, no problem. It does add a nice flavor, but if you don't have it or don't want it, just remove it. I'm gonna stir that together. Such a simple sauce. This is honestly such an easy recipe, and that's kind of what you want with a side dish, I feel, is just something that you can put together really easy that has a lot of flavor. Okay, now if I had yellow onion, I'd be cooking that for 2 to 3 minutes first before adding in the zucchini, but since I'm using green, I'm gonna add them in all at once, and I'm gonna cook these down for about 4 to 5 minutes until they are just kind of golden, crispy, and tender. If you want the heat a little bit higher, you can char them on the outside a little bit more. It just depends on your preference, but I like it on medium-high heat just to get a little bit of that char on the outside just lightly. Golden, crispy, everything like that. You are going to want to make sure to stir this and get all sides evenly coated. Then we're going to add in our sauce. Now, I did use quite a bit of zucchini here. If you wanted to add 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce to make it a little saltier, you totally can. You can adjust it to your preference, but I like it a little bit lighter like this. Now we can top it just with some sesame seeds if you want, couple green onions, and this is so delicious. Just the tops of those green onions sliced on top. You could even put a little bit of chili crisp oil on top if you wanted, but it's so good like this. You can serve it with anything you like, your protein, your rice, everything like that. It just makes a great summer side dish, such an easy way to cook up your zucchini. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe.